Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is a whistle, a professional whistle. It's got a little weight to it. Let's check out this thing here, see how it looks, if I can open the box. Holy mackerel. Don't know why I'm having difficulties opening box, but look, oh wow. Okay, box empty. It comes in a really nice box here, and let's open this up. I don't have any nails anymore. There we go. So here we go. So in it we have a lanyard, which is nice, and it's got a little clip for it here, it looks like. So adjustable lanyard. So it's kind of cool. There we go. So my lanyard with a nice brass hook. Let me see how that feels. Oh, it's really nice. Nice little carabiner hook. Here is my whistle. And check it out, this is a brass whistle. This isn't just some little one. This is a nice, professional, heavy-duty whistle. This has got some weight to it. It's got this little rubber piece here, which I guess is a kind of a cover for this. Oh, wow. Oh, that's an awesome idea, because when it's like freezing cold, like today, it's cold outside. I could put this on, and it'll keep it nice and warm on my lips. I won't freeze to it. That's pretty cool. So very nice. Nice little item there, and then I can clip it onto my little brass hook here, and look, now I am the coach. Now let's see how this thing sounds. Wow! Was not expecting. I think I scared the crap out of my dogs. I was not expecting that. Holy mackerel, this is super loud. How loud does this thing get? Okay, this is the loudest whistle I've ever heard in my life. I don't know. It's a lot of the stuff's written in Chinese, but it does have the English writing underneath it. But look how cool this looks on me. Look at that. There we go. So if I'm going here, let me go outside and just blow it really, really loud and see how loud we can get it. So we're going outside. You're coming with me. I don't want the dogs to go nuts, but let's see how we do out here. So now we're out in the wilderness. It's a rainy day, so it's kind of yucky outside, but let's see here how loud this thing will really get. It echoes for so long that it's ringing in my ears. Okay, this is a ridiculously loud whistle, and it's super heavy duty, and I love that little rubber part on it so your lips don't get cold. Today it's not so cold. I'm wearing a t-shirt even though it's a little chilly out because I'm a man, but very cool. And it's beautiful. It's freaking gorgeous. Okay, this is the best brass whistle. Any coach or anybody would be the talk of the town with that. I'm getting notifications probably from my neighbors that it's too loud. Too loud over here. But how cool is this? This is really beautiful. Let me take off the little rubber on it here, and you can see the little logo information on it there. Like, how nice is that? So I'm going to say this is an awesome little whistle. Super heavy duty. Nice little lanyard. Super easy to do. I mean, it's got some weight to it. It's got the heft. It's not going anywhere. I could probably smash this thing up against the wall, and it'll break the wall before it's going to break the whistle. So I'm going to say this is awesome. Love the lanyard, love everything. Thumbs up from me. Even love the box that it came in. So thumbs up. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon.